Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be working on a G-Wagon that we have right behind me. So me and Federico started the G-Wagon about 3 hours ago. We have the hood done, or he's finishing up the hood right now, but we have both sides of the doors finished up. So we got 4 doors done, the hood. We're about to go ahead and lay the quarter panels on the G-Wagon. The quarter panels specifically on this car are actually a pain in the ass just because of how big they are, and the doors and quarter panels have to be laid separate. So same thing with the roof. We're going to end up 3-piecing the roof just because it doesn't fully fit within the vinyls. I did happen to get a time lapse on the door, so I'll go ahead and put those right here for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up really quickly. I'll help Federico finish up the hood so we can start laying the quarter panels. Once we lay the quarter panel, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the fender. So I'll set you guys up from there, and let's go ahead and knock out the G-Wagon. All right guys, so Federico just finished up the hood. Everything came out really good. So we're going to go ahead and do one final wipe down. From there, we're going to go ahead and cut out the quarter panel, and we're going to go ahead and lay this piece. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and from there, let's go ahead and knock this one out. So we just laid the driver's side quarter panel. As you guys can see, Federico's currently working on it. So as I said, when it comes to the doors, we're just going to go ahead and trim on the door. From there, the door will end up being trash. A lot of people will probably say like, well, can't you use it for scraps or something like that? Yes and no. The only problem is that if there's any type of dirt, once we pull it out, it's not gonna really be reusable. So as far as for me right now, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the passenger side fender. Once he finishes up the driver's side quarter panel, then I'm going to go ahead and knock out the driver's side fender. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and let's go ahead and knock out the fender. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to day 2 on the G-Wagon. So yesterday we left off with wrapping the passenger side quarter panel as well the driver's side quarter panel. So the only thing left on the G-Wagon is just the driver's side fender. We have the roof left, and then we do have the back door. So then we have the back door, the fender, the roof. We have 4 fender flares, which are relatively small. Yo, what up, bud? And then we have the back G-Wagon piece that goes to the wheel, and obviously bumpers. So we have quite a bit left to do today. We should be able to get everything done. So we're gonna start off today by wrapping the driver's side fender. Once the fender's done, we'll go ahead and move on to the back door, and then we'll go ahead and knock out the windshield area. From there, everything else should be pretty easy. We're just gonna have the 4 fender flares and the bumpers, and then the G-Wagon will be finished. So I'm gonna set you guys up. I'll do one final wipe down on the fender, and let's go ahead and knock this one out. Alright guys, so I just finished up the driver's side fender. Everything came out really, really good, as you guys can see. Federico showed up. He's actually going to go ahead and knock out the fender flares while I get the back door done. So once the back door is done and the fender flares is finished, we're going to go ahead and knock out the roof as well as the front windshield area. So I'll set you guys up and let's go ahead and knock out the back door. Alright guys, so we got a lot done on the G-Wagon so far. We actually ended up finishing up the roof. Federico went ahead and got down on all of the fender flares so you guys can see they're all finished up. So the roof was done in 3 pieces. We ended up doing the middle first and then we went ahead and did the outer sides. As far as right now, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the rear door. The homie's actually going to end up tinting the windows on the G-Wagon, so you'll see him in and out of the video as well. But I'm going to set you guys up right here. We'll knock out the back door. While I do the door, Federico's going to go ahead and knock out the front windshield area. You guys can see it's all color matched. So this one's going to be a little bit tricky because the where the windshield wipers are, this piece doesn't get removed. So we're going to have to poke a hole. We'll work it around and yeah. Alright guys, so I left off with wrapping the rear door to the G-Wagon. As far as that, we're actually going to go ahead and get out of here. We ran out of materials for the front bumper, so place an order for that. That should be here tomorrow. Federico just finished up the back to the wheel, the back wheel cover that goes onto the back of the door. And then as far as the rear bumper is actually pretty much all finished. This was done in a lot of pieces. So the G-Wagon bumpers are a pain in the ass, but I just have the main piece to do, which we'll go ahead and knock out tomorrow. So literally the only thing left on the G-Wagon is just the front bumper and then the final piece on the rear bumper. So other than that, the G-Wagon will be fully completely done by tomorrow. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to day 3 on the G-Wagon. So this morning I went ahead and stopped by my supplier, went ahead and grabbed the materials for the front bumper. As far as right now, I'm in the Starbucks, so I'm gonna grab some coffee, something to eat really quickly, and we'll go ahead and head over to the shop so this way we can finish up the G-Wagon. As far as today, I say we have about 2 more hours left. The only thing we have left is just the main piece on the rear bumper and then the whole front bumper, so shouldn't take too long. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys back out once I get over there and we'll go ahead and knock that one out. All right guys, so I just got to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and hop on the rear bumper really quickly. We have a total about, I'd say about 30 minutes left to do on the rear bumper. Yesterday I took care of all of the inlays, so this was done in 6 pieces. The G-Wagon bumpers are actually a pain in the ass, as I said. Front bumper, there's a couple inlays on this one as well, but we only have the 2 bumpers left to do, so I'd say we have a total of about 2 hours. As far as that, the G-Wagon will be completely finished. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button for me, as it really helps me out. As far as this week, I have a couple of projects going on, but I actually have new flooring and lighting coming in, so we'll be taking care of the floors and the whole lighting area first, and then we'll be starting the new project. So stay tuned, but as far as that, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. See you guys in the next one.